Hey, good morning. This is Greg McLeod from the Elite Traders University. I'm the CEO and founder, and also I'm the moderator of the most dynamic group, the Forex Cash Machine. And right now we are short the New Zealand dollar called the Kiwi. We already eliminated out on some positions, and we're about 14 pips on multiple positions. So we're going to begin closing those out. And we can see that we're up $1,376 there on this trade, 14.2 pips there, 12.6 pips there, and 12.6 pips here. So we got into these trades around midnight or so last night, and so it is now 7:53. So it probably took about maybe 6 hours for this to come around to our price target. And what we can do is we can actually take a look and see what we did today. We got pound dollar sell. We got 26.4 pips there earlier. And let me go ahead and just so you can actually see what's going on here. Okay, so we just took a lot of positions and basically scalped this market. And a lot of these trades closed out while I was sleeping. Some closed out around about 6:44. Actually, I got into those trades around 2:35 a.m. and 2:35, so it's about 4 hours. So it took about 4 hours. So it wasn't quite the quick pip and run in a matter of minutes and seconds. But I'll take this win any time there. We can see we made a whopping $61,426.33. So not bad for a Tuesday, right? Not bad for a Tuesday. I know this is we had this, we talk about the April Fools and the bull traps and bear traps. You can see that while our indicators, our institutional order flow showed that there were sellers coming into the market, and in fact, so when price spiked up, there are a lot of people who were caught in what we call a bull trap. This is a prime example of a bull trap right here, where we hit a level of resistance, 72.19, and about the quarter line. There is a quarter line resistance, a banker's line at 72.25. And we spiked above that, and there's people that this was a full-bodied, you gotta imagine that this red candle with a wick on it was actually a full-bodied green candle, right? Full-bodied green candle, and you can imagine the excitement where the bulls were very, very excited, and they were high hoofing each other, and we would have had this is what the candle would look like, right? And then the sellers stepped in once they trapped as many bulls as they could. Boom, trap is closed and they're trapped. They wish they were long. Some of these traders, they were long and their name is on that wick. You ever seen those necklaces at the carnivals and things where they can write someone's name on a grain of rice? Well, somebody's name is right there on that wick and they're trapped there long. I don't know how many of you guys have ever been there. In fact, look at this. Even the computer gives you some type of false price target, and even the computer targeting is not going to be able to recognize institutional order flow, where a number of people saw this trend this up and they were buyers and they were faked out, and then price turned at this resistance area and started to move down precipitously, trapping the victims in this trap. In fact, and then we went back to support, went to old support back here, and then the cycles start all over again, where these people who got short are trapped, and then this is a bear trap, and they're caught in this trap, wishing and hoping and praying that price would go down, but now price is going to move up against them and eventually stop them out, right? So that's what we do in the Forex Cash Machine, Elite Traders University. Forex Cash Machine is a great place to see the results and talk to traders and learn about the system, Forex scalping, and the strategy with you. And also, if you think that this type of trading is something that you like, and but if you're already making this, if you're already doing this, then you don't need to join or be a part. But if you would like to see large gains in your trading account in a short amount of time, we basically have somebody's annual salary that we made in one day. So what are you waiting for? Book a call, click the link below, talk to a member of my team. The people who are on my team are professional traders, and they trade for a living, and they just, like I do, love helping new traders. We are like, think about the Matrix and Morpheus. We go around unplugging people. We offer you the red pill, but many of you take the blue pill. You want to keep doing it yourself and keep losing, or doing a cheap way out of trying to do it yourself. All right, do it yourself works fine if you're flipping a house and putting some paint, putting some carpet or whatever. Not do it yourself in trading is not a good idea. Okay, look at your result that you have so far. Okay, and you can see that, well, if the last year looks like this year is going to look like next year, and each day and each month or each year that you're not learning how to do what I'm doing and what my students are doing, you're going to be continually giving us your money. Because remember, the forex, it's almost a zero-sum game where losers pay winners, and if you were a loser, then you're paying us, the winners. So come on to the winner's side. There's plenty of room over here. I'd love to change your life with your trading and mentorship if you're coachable. Come on over, click the link below, and get started. This is Greg McLeod signing out. Peace and pips from the Forex Cash Machine. Join our free Forex Facebook group and see for yourself. All right.